Picks of the week, ding 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 ding, not a financial advisor, do your own homework. Okay, first one, here we go. NIO hit the hype train. I mean, the stock stabilized, do your own homework please, but yeah, 50, you know, it's a buy for me. And then of course our beloved unicorn Tesla boy, 9 million. I mean, it's S&P 500 inclusion, all of that. Do your own research, I'm just pointing out stocks. And my personal favorite, Candy. No one's talking about this one. They're the only ones actually selling in America. And it's pretty reasonable. Watch a couple reviews. And you know what? The car is just a go. You know, it's just a get about. It's fine. Just buy it. There's going to be a train coming by my house, ruining the audio. Yeah. Candy, personal favorite. Definitely. I got in at about 7. I think it's about 13 or 14 now. Lovely. Jubbly. Candy. Definitely a buy for me. And then a safety play, that's such an American kind of TV kind of thing. CVS, yeah, because I mean we all invest in the US stock market. CVS, yeah, they're going to be distributing hopefully all of the bloody vaccines for the Americans, so you know what, it's maybe, but yeah, just in case, if you're thinking of something safe, go for that one. Picks of the week.